Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you guys my exhaust on my 2011 F10 BMW. This is a 528i, and this is the other car I have besides my E60 that you guys all see in all my videos. Now if you follow me on Instagram, you do see I post this car once in a while. I just haven't really filmed all the mods I've done to it, which I wish I had, but don't worry, from now on I am going to start filming things I do to this car as well. Now on one of my videos on this car, one of the first videos, I showed you guys how to install a diffuser. Now this is the diffuser I installed. Now I never installed the exhaust, I never filmed me installing the exhaust, but I did end up buying a Eisenmann exhaust. This one's made for the 528i. It's really easy to install. It pretty much just cut off the original exhaust and this one just bolts on. As you can see how from right here, it looks like two full exhausts, but the one on the passenger side is actually like half an exhaust, so it kind of gives you that look where there's two big ones, but there's not a lot of room there because of that pocket that goes down on the passenger side. So it actually looks pretty cool the way they did it, and it sounds really nice. So my car has 3 different modes it drives on. You can either drive it in regular standard mode, sport mode, or sport plus. And each one gives the exhaust a different sound because the car obviously is going to drive a little bit different. So in this video I'm going to show you how it sounds like. You guys can get an idea, because I looked online before I bought this exhaust and then there wasn't too many good videos that shows you like it driving or in different modes. So hopefully this video will help you if you're in the market to buy that same exhaust. Okay, so now that you've seen what it sounds like from the outside, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how it sounds from the inside. So right now I have it on normal mode. So this is it on normal mode. And then let me put it on sport mode. down because I can see a red light up ahead. So now it's on Sport Plus mode. I'm gonna give it some gas right now. Hopefully my microphone picks up the sound really good. It's not too loud, but you can definitely hear it. And it's actually a really nice sound. I'm very happy the way it sounds from the inside. It's not too loud, so if you have people in the car and you're trying to have a conversation where the exhaust is all you hear, it's actually a nice sporty sound, and I'm really happy with the way it sounds. That's why I wanted to make sure people can hear from the inside as well. And right now I'm driving in I'm in a residential area, so I can't give it too much. But let me see if I can drive down this street right here. So I'm still in Sport Plus mode. So I'm in a residential area, so at least you get an idea what it sounds like normal driving. I'm not going to just show me giving it a bunch of gas. At least a little real world expectations of how you normally hear it. So now I'm back on sport mode. And I'm going to speed limit, so kind of show you guys how it will sound like if you're just driving it out and about normally. And then now I'm going to put it back to sport mode. Normal mode, just normal. I'm at 2,000 RPMs. I'm not giving any gas, I'm just letting it coast right now. So that's how this exhaust sounds like when you're inside the vehicle. I want to make sure, because I haven't seen any videos on this exhaust from inside the from inside the vehicle. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I hope that you guys liked this video. If it helped you decide on which exhaust you want to buy for your 528i if you have one. Like I said, I'm going to start filming more mods I do to this car. I don't only have the E60, I just always made videos on it. But I am going to start on this one, so if you're an F10 owner, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. See you in my next video.